everyone, welcome to DF Robot DF TV, Simple Act, Simple Play. In hardware, we still choose Firebito ESP32 mainboard to display module array. Array is used to create array of type specified elements. First, import the array. Next, define an array of int. If you want to define a floating array, just change I to F. Let's check out A. We can see A is an array of int that you just defined here. Well, the array class has two class functions, append and extend. Append means append a new element to the end of the array. Extend means extend a new array to the end of the array. Note the appended types must be the same as the types of the arrays that need to be appended. Now look at how to use append. To add a new element to the end of the array A, then you can use append. Let's check out A again. Found that 4 has been successfully appended to the end of the array. Then, how to use extend? Create a new array B of int. Then add B to the end of A. Check out A. Found that array B has been successfully appended to the end of the array A. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Please visit DF Robot Forum for any queries.